here today to talk to you about how Ceramic Pro protects vinyl surfaces. So Ceramic Pro has developed a vinyl-specific product to address the challenges that vinyl has in care and longevity. The first thing that Ceramic Pro has addressed with these products is they've created two different products for two separate reasons. They can be used together or separately. The first one is Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl Base Coat. And this product is designed to be super durable, thick, and prevent UV and oxidation damage with this product. And also give a sense of density as well that's going to give you some degree of scratch resistance to the added scratch resistance of these surfaces. This product is also designed to have a very long flash time and lay thicker, which is a common problem that installers have when they're working with paint products trying to apply them to vinyl, which allows you to achieve the finish, the desired finish that's expected. And then we have our Ceramic Pro PPF and Vinyl base, top coat, and this product is designed to be as slick and glossy as possible to give you a more paint-like appearance to your surface, and also has extreme hydrophobicity to it with these little nanotubes that form on the surface, and it makes this product extremely easy to clean. So you're going to limit the amount of things that are going to stick to the surface. You're not going to grab down into the pores of the vinyl anymore. They're interacting with a very, very dense, slick surface on the top. And that makes it much, much easier to clean. So your chrome wraps, your darker colors, everything like that, that traditionally get scratched up and everything like that, you're going to limit your washing on them, and it's also going to limit the touching when you do wash the car. And then for a signage, outdoor commercial signage and things like that, it's going to give you better longevity between having to clean or preventing the surfaces from getting as dirty. And it's also going to slow down your oxidation and UV damage, which is a big deal on an outdoor sign, especially if you're going to leave it up for any period of time, unlike signage for a billboard or something like that. So the other cool thing with these products is that the base coat does not change the sheen of the surface, but still makes it slicker on a matte or satin finish. And the advantage of that is that if you get fingerprints or exhaust soot or any number of things that are going to stain this and make it look dirty very quickly, are going to be it's kind of a must-have on these surfaces to make them easier to care for. A lot of people also really like it for your traditionally hard to care for matte blacks and things like that, because as you wash these surfaces, you get a lot of streaks left behind when you're drying it, and it's you got to rub pretty hard because the towel sticks to these surfaces very easily, especially when they get contaminated. So it's going to make cleaning a breeze on this and prevent a lot of the dirt and everything like that from actually impregnating itself into the wrap. And then the other really cool thing that Ceramic Pro does is that slickness increase is going to be able to allow you to dry a surface without really rubbing on it very hard. So if I'm pulling this across the surface here, it tends to grab on the uncoated side here, where the coated side is going to be significantly slicker. And you're welcome to go into any vinyl installer and try this same thing out, and you'll feel a big difference in slickness between the two sides, which has a number of benefits for you. So if this is a product, if you have vinyl on your car, this is a must-have product, especially on some of the more troublesome colors that don't last as long. And if you are a vinyl installer for either signage or automobiles, this is definitely a product you want to have in your arsenal to address specific customer concerns or specific types of vinyl that you would otherwise shy away from being able to offer somebody due to their challenges and care over time. So if you want to check us out, feel free to give us a call, and one of our reps would be happy to get more in depth with you on this. Thank you very much.